Hello traders, today is a Friday 12th of June 2020 and I would like to share with you today's best Forex Trade analysis and the result. Today was amazing day. We had bank such a beautiful pips as you can see based on the live intraday analysis. I personally manage 454 pips. Let me zoom it so at least you can see it. You can see I managed 454 pips, and this is the breakdown on all of my trades. You can see in the morning I had a challenges, 2 losing trades, 6 losing trades, but rest of them is most of them isn't profitable. Okay, the best trade I had it a pound Swiss franc short trade, and I'll explain to you why these trades has been taken. All these analyses are intraday live analysis. You can see broadcasted instantly at the analysis section. You can see the updates are provided instantly as the price progress, and we analyze market in a high time frame alongside with the momentum charts for intraday entry and exit. You can see these are the live analysis, you know fundamental analysis just to understand what the news is coming, and then later on we do high time frame analysis in 4 hour, as you can see it, and then we analyze market in a shorter time frame for the entry and exit. So you can see all these analyses are available for all the members. If they want to watch, they can see what sort of market sentiment. So based on all these analysis, I personally made 454 pips. I'm just going to give you some information about it. You can see this. This is my entry because the system capture every time when I open a position or close a position. This was the valid pullback, but as soon as the price reverse, I close my trade. So then later on, I bank another beautiful pound Swiss franc 26 pips. If I show you here, this was the breakout, and this is the uh, profit target when I close my trade. And this one again is 100% based on the analysis this morning. If you look at here, this was the just before London Open. You can see it. This was the consolidation breakout, which I personally took, and I also banked some profit. And most of the members have banked these beautiful pips. So every single trade is 100% based on the analysis which broadcast instantly. So I had a beautiful pips, all 35 pips. Once I bank beautiful pips, then I open all these trades with a very tight stop loss. Each of the trades was 10 pips stop loss. And I'm going to explain you why when I open this position. So let's talk about the pound Swiss franc. If you look at in 4 hour, this is the in the morning I had a long trade. So as soon as the price reach to the 200 EMA, if you look at previously, as I mentioned to my traders that I'll be putting my very tight stop loss and my limit orders with a 10 pip stop loss. As you can see, the price nicely respected and reverse. So as soon as the price reverse, I put all of my stop loss at the break even. As you can see, my open price and closing price is the same. So such a beautiful trades. Once in a while you get these type of movements, and after that we had a beautiful short trades on Kiwi dollar. Again, if you look at here, this was the breakout trade on Kiwi dollar, and nicely banked some profit. Again, this was based on the 100% another. I'm just going to show you on this is the analysis based on that analysis. As you can see, the price nicely broken, and I personally manage beautiful pips on this one, which is you can see it here. And then my last trade was dollar Swiss franc. That's the 12 pips, and one of the trades is still open. Again, this one, if you look at here, this is the trade I've taken here. As soon as the reverse, based on the analysis, again, this is the analysis. You can see just 15 minutes I just closed. You can see the price. Based on that, we are looking at counter short trade. And again, based on the high time frame, you can see in 4 hour, as explained to my trader, that the price is at the resistance level. You can see beautiful. And I explained to my trader that we should be looking at counter short trade, which basically I analyze in intraday, which you can see it here. Beautiful price respected. This is the trend resistance line respected here and respected here, and you can see beautiful. And I banked 12 pips, open two position, and I'm holding this position, and my target is 95,000. So we'll see how this trade is gonna go, but still I'm basically break even at this store. You can see it. So guys, all these pips, 454 pips, are 100% based on the analysis which broadcast, like 31 pips. If you look at here, this one again, breakout trade. And if I show you when this analysis broadcasted here, you can see it. This is the breakout analysis at the New York session. I took a short trade and I banked some profit here. So you can see all these trades are 100% based on the analysis. Even today was such an amazing trade that even one of my uh, you know members mentioned this. Today was the non-brain trainer. You can see. Let me show you one of the chat. We said one of my members. He said it's kind of dumb not to enter these no-brainer trades up 30 pips, and then most of that he made a 43 pips today. So you can see all these analyses based on that beautiful pips. And let me show you some of them analysis and their details. So that's back. Okay. So as you can see, these are the intraday analyses with, you know, alongside with the 4 hour analysis. This was the breakout short trade on dollar, on euro, yen. I'm going to be doing quickly because we had too many analyses and too many beautiful trades. Okay, so pound dollar, pretty straightforward breakout long trade. Again, pound yen, beautiful breakout and pullback long trade. And Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward triangle breakout and pullback long trade. And Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see pullback, beautiful long trade. And Euro USD, beautiful breakout long trade. Euro yen, breakout and pullbacks, two pullback long trade. As long as the momentum is bullish, we announce all these trades through live RD commentary support. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward breakout, pullback, long trade. Pound dollar, beautiful breakout and pullback, long trade. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. You can see the breakout and beautiful pullback, short trade. Dollar Swiss franc, beautiful breakout, long trade. Dollar CAD, breakout, long trade. Aussie dollar, breakout, long trade. The pound Swiss franc, pullback, short trade. Pound dollar, beautiful. You can see pullback, short trade, and another one breakout, short trade. Euro USD, beautiful. You can see beautiful breakout, short trade. Pound yen, beautiful. You can see nicely price respected and based on the momentum, all pullback, short trade, beautiful. And Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward breakout, short trade. And Euro yen, pretty straightforward breakout, short trade, and pullback, short trades. And euro pound, as mentioned on the analysis, in a live analysis, you can see the price broken. We said based, wait for the pullback. As you can see, the price nicely developed pullback, and even price respected twice, developed a double bottom. Beautiful pullback long trade on euro pound. Dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward breakout, beautiful long trade. And pound yen, breakout short trade. Pound dollar CAD, beautiful. You can see the breakout long trade. Pound dollar, this was, I made a 31 pips on this trade. Beautiful breakout and pullback short trade. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward, as you can see based on the analysis, pullback short trade. And the last trade, as you can see, I'm still holding that trade. Beautiful pullback short trade. So all right guys, so I hope you enjoy all the analysis. So if you would like to have this live intraday analysis experience, a live trading experience, and if you would like to make these type of pips every single day, as you can see, most of my traders are banking such a beautiful pips. As you can see, one of my trades is still open. And if you want to have all that experience in real time, and feel free to join our fast growing trader community. And Thank you for watching this video and have a nice weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.